In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove domain from Cloudflare. Before we get started, a quick note on what this action means. Removing a domain from Cloudflare takes that domain out of your Cloudflare account and stops Cloudflare from providing DNS, security, and performance services for it. Any DNS records managed in Cloudflare will no longer answer queries, proxying and WAF protections stop, and cached content won't be served. If the domain's name servers are still pointing to Cloudflare, traffic can fail until you have another DNS provider in place. With that in mind, choose a time that minimizes impact and make sure stakeholders know this change is happening. Let's begin. First, open your Cloudflare account. Head to the Cloudflare dashboard the same way you normally would. If you manage multiple accounts or have different levels of access, make sure you're in the correct account where the domain is located. This ensures you're working with the right set of zones and won't accidentally touch an unrelated domain. Once your dashboard loads, you'll see the list of domains you manage. Next, click on the specific domain you want to remove. This takes you into that domain's overview page. Take a moment here to confirm you've selected the correct domain. You should see its current status, plan, and key configuration details at a glance. It's a good idea to double-check anything that might be affected, such as mission-critical DNS records, security rules, or performance settings, so you fully understand what will change when the domain is removed. Now look to the right side of the overview page for the Advanced Actions section. This panel groups powerful options that affect the entire zone. Here, you'll find the option labeled Remove from Cloudflare. This is the control that detaches the domain from your Cloudflare account. When you choose this, Cloudflare may display a confirmation message summarizing the impact of removal. Read that summary carefully and make sure it aligns with your intent. That's all there is to the process itself. Open your Cloudflare account, select the correct domain, and in Advanced Actions choose Remove from Cloudflare. After the removal completes, the domain will no longer use Cloudflare's DNS or protection services. If you plan to manage DNS elsewhere, make sure your alternative setup is ready so you can maintain continuity. And if you're coordinating with a team, communicate the change so application owners and support staff know what to expect. Thanks for watching, and proceed carefully when making changes at the domain level.